If you are a fan of strawberries, berries, you are going to love this incredible, delicious recipe. It's so quick and easy to make, so let's get into it. You're going to need some fresh strawberries. They are readily available in the UK at the moment. I've got my chia seed and I've got some raspberries and I've got some granola, almond, raisin granola, or you can use any type of granola. It's entirely up to you. And I do have some fresh mint leaves, but we're just going to sprinkle that on top. All you need to do is make sure that you wash, clean your strawberries very well, okay? Clean and wash all your fruits, guys, okay? Always make sure that hygiene is the number one thing on your agenda when you're doing anything, okay? So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure that I cut all my strawberries together. Guys, if you're not a fan of strawberries, get to know, because it is jam-packed with goodness and health benefit. Great source of vitamin C, and it's really good if you want a low blood sugar, and it's just sweet and tasty and delicious, okay? I'll leave the benefits of strawberries in the descriptions if you want to know more. Always, like I always say, go and do your own research. And I've got some fresh mint, okay? Guys, if you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for, okay? Do me a massive favor, make sure that you subscribe if you want to see more content like this, or just anything else I do on this channel. If you are returning, I love and appreciate your support. This is perfect for any occasion, or you can even, you know, have this for breakfast, lunch, or if you want to eat a light snack in the evening, because the granola, you know, is filling, and you've got the chia seed. You know, if you're looking for calcium, you don't need milk, okay? But that is my personal opinion. But you know, chia seed is filled with calcium, and we've got the raspberries, the mint, everything just combines well together. You don't need to add syrup, sugar, or anything, because everything is super sweet. And this is it, guys, okay? All I'm doing is layering everything together and just making sure that the presentation is on point. I'm going to sprinkle my granola again. You can use any amount if you want to put more or less. You've got the almond, you've got the raisin, which adds sweetness when you bite into it, and we're just going to sprinkle that chia on top for that extra health benefit. This is a super juicy, tasty, jam-packed, nutritious breakfast, lunch, snack, dessert, meal recipe for you guys. I hope you truly have enjoyed the recipe, and it's so simple to make, and it's such a fun recipe to make as well. Get everybody involved, and I'll see you guys next time, okay? Enjoy. Pick one of those juicy, pick it, I'll give it to you, pick, okay? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.